In critical operations, secure connectivity isn't just a nice to have, it's foundational to the mission. But what happens when the traditional power or communication isn't available due to weather, damaged infrastructure, or you simply need secure connectivity quickly in pop-up locations? Public safety operations struggle during natural disasters, and remote locations are isolated when the infrastructure isn't there. I'm Matt Bullock, Principal Engineer at Fortinet, and today we're getting hands-on with a solution designed for quickly getting secure connectivity when no other services are available. The Emergency Connectivity Kit, or ECK, born from a partnership between Fortinet and Parsec Technologies. The ECK isn't just a box of parts. It's a fully integrated, pre-configured, secure networking hub. We're combining Fortinet's ruggedized security and SD-WAN hardware with Parsec's patented high-gain antennas and enclosures. It's built to be grab-and-go, TSA compliant as carry-on luggage, and deployable in minutes when the infrastructure around you is compromised. All connections and antennas are built into the rugged IP67 case itself, streamlining setup and getting connectivity in minutes. ECKs can run on integrated battery power for several hours or connect to local AC power when it's available. First up is the Bloodhound. This kit is all about mobility. It's built around the FortiExtender Vehicle 511G, giving you 5G connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Ethernet built into a rugged IP67 case from Parsec. The case integrates 5G and Wi-Fi antennas directly into the sides and lid, reducing complexity and speeding the time to establish a secure connection. Bloodhound is best for first responders or mobile command units that need to stay connected while moving frequently, with an integrated battery for when you need it most. Now, if you need maximum resilience, you want the Pitbull. This is essentially a secure remote site in a carry-on sized IP67 case, making this ideal for a remote communication center or headquarters during a disaster. Pitbull features the FortiGate rugged 70G 5G dual. That means you get ASIC-powered security, SD-WAN, and ZTNA enforcement right at the edge. The connectivity options are truly remarkable here. You have dual 5G radios for active-active cellular paths, giving you options for 2 simultaneous public or private networks, including FirstNet and other prioritized networks. There's also an enterprise-grade access point inside the case for wireless devices, as well as wired Ethernet connections. For even more redundancy with zero infrastructure, the Pitbull case is the first of its kind with a dedicated slot for a Starlink Mini, perfect for those total infrastructure blackouts. And of course, the FortiGate is an industry leader in SD-WAN, allowing you to take advantage of all of these WAN connections in an evolving environment. As for power, Pitbull even includes battery support to keep you online when the power grid is out. Expect about 8 hours on a full charge without Starlink and around 2 hours on battery when you need it most. Regardless of which kit you deploy, you get consistent policy enforcement and visibility with the simple configuration and management Fortinet is known for. You manage the ECK just like any other part of your Fortinet fabric, with scalable solutions for cloud and on-prem management. Whether it's utility restoration after a storm, a tactical operation, or a public safety event, the goal is the same: secure, reliable connectivity in unpredictable conditions. The Emergency Connectivity Kit from Fortinet and Parsec Technologies provides a practical, rugged approach to secure connectivity, wherever the mission takes you. Stay safe out there.